Hi, I'm back. As promised, I said I'd be back to show you my die cuts for my hole punch reinforcements. And here they are. Um, I was only able to do a few because I think that little it's just not good enough, you know. I tried my hardest to get that to go through the die cut machine, and it wasn't working too well, so I just kind of gave up. And at least I got a few done, which I will show you. See how cute that is. And then there's this one. And that one. So you can see, you know, how it's how the paint, you know, the streaking and then the little splatters turned out to look pretty nice. And I didn't do them all because I wanted to show you. I had a little toothpick, oh yeah, how I do it. I just take this off. Well, you just take a little toothpick and then you punch through, and there's your pieces. I already got that one, okay. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that one's neat. And I showed you that one. So there's 4 different ones, and then once all of these are off of there, I can go ahead and use this in a junk journal because it's pretty cute. And then here's the ones that I have from the other ones that I made. Like the little flowers, and there's butterflies. It's they're hard to pick up, and yeah, I almost need a craft pliers to get them, but see, isn't that pretty? And then I'm just keeping them in a tin so that I will be able to find them. I did make some other ones. These aren't. These are just like regular. These are different. I just wanted to see how, because I'd never done these ones before. Oh, that looks pretty. See how much better that is than just a normal, you know, white paper or craft paper, colored craft paper, because you can just use watercolor or acrylic or, you know, even pens or colored pencils, and it turns out really pretty, and I love it. I made this one from that one, and oops, I can't get it. It's like tags. So but it's really easy to make. You just cut the paper the size of your die cut machine, and then paint them, and then you let it dry. Probably put it under some books because they will curl up. Ooh, that's pretty. See the gold on there? I don't know if you can see it. It looks really pretty. Paint them, let them dry, put them underneath a heavy book so they don't curl up, and then you can continue to paint them several times until you get the level of the look that you want, you know, with the splatters and the streaks and all of that. And then you can even use these in your junk journal. This got kind of, you know, it's not straight on there, but it's all right. I mean, who cares? So anyways, I just wanted to follow up and show you guys how that turned out, and I will talk to you later. I hope you're having a good week, and take care. Bye.